Changing the email link to your Apple ID is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once signed in, navigate to the account section where you will see your current email address listed. Step 3. Edit your email address. Click on Edit next to your Apple ID. You will be prompted to enter a new email address that you want to use. Step 4. Verify your new email. After entering the new email address, Apple will send a verification code to that email. Check your inbox, retrieve the code, and enter it on the Apple ID page to confirm the change. Step 5. Update your devices. Once your email is updated, ensure that you sign out and back in on all your Apple devices using the new email address to keep everything synchronized. By following these steps, you can easily change the email link to your Apple ID. Make sure to keep your account information updated for a seamless experience across all your Apple services.